So friends, in this video, I am going to teach you one most important method of studying, which is a time-based study method. I know this is a very big difficulty from your point of view because you don't know how this works. But I've seen so many students that are practicing this method and they're successful. So friends, I'm Sanjay Naik sir from Poly Classes. I'm a teacher and coach by profession and I'm teaching engineering students since 1981 in Pune, India. So what is this time study method? In this you have to allot a scheduled time. Of course, this time will not be the same every day or maybe the same every day. Maybe you have got a regular schedule and you can spare the time at 7 o'clock in the evening, 7 to 9 every day, then you're sorted out. Because then 7 to 9 from Monday to Friday, you have got the time allotted for study. So many students practice in this way and they're successful. But suppose you are into sports, then you have to attend the sports events. Maybe you're in the cultural events, you're practicing drama or something else. You have to go there also. Maybe you have some other commitments and then you don't have the regular time schedule. Suppose on Monday you're getting free at 7 p.m., then you can spare 2 hours. On Tuesday you're getting free at 8 p.m., then you can spare 1 hour. So in this way, you have to set up a time study schedule. Now you have to plan a daily schedule. That means on Monday, suppose you are giving 2 hours, on Tuesday 1 hour, maybe on Wednesday you are giving 3 hours, maybe on Thursday you are giving again 2 hours, Friday you are giving 2 hours. So you have allotted this time for your studies. So you don't have to worry how much work is done. Your target is to complete. Your target is to complete whatever the work you can complete in that scheduled time. So you are free. Of course, you have got Saturday and Sunday free, whatever the work has been left incomplete in that week. In this way, you have planned a weekly schedule. Now you can continue for the second week. In the second week, whatever studies you have completed, you continue with the next part in the next week. So you plan the schedule again. Suppose you have got a regular schedule of 2 hours from 7 to 9, then you are sorted out. If not, then find out the time available for every day. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Allot the time and start with the studies. Then you start with the planning for the third week. So friends, it is very simple that way. Now you have to plan for a month. Of course, when you have the experience of 1 week, then again you can plan for the second, third and fourth week because you know exactly how much time is required and how you are going to work in those particular weeks. You know the festivities or the festivals going on, maybe you have got sports and whatever it is, that apart from that you are going to find the time. So friends, this way you have a monthly schedule. And of course, the most important point is you should also have a schedule for every subject. That means you have to try and plan because for every subject you have to allot some time. Maybe we can start with easy subjects. You can allot the time for the easy subjects first, then you can start with the difficult subjects later on. Because by the time you start with the studies and you are through 1 or 2 weeks, your confidence level has increased and you are ready to absorb more contents. Of course, you have to understand the concepts as well as the contents. So friends, this is a very simple method. I've seen so many students practicing this method. They are successful. Of course, you can plan it, but if you don't implement it, you are not successful. So planning is one part, implementation is the second part. you club them together, and you are successful in your studies. So, friends, this is it. Keep watching, keep learning. Subscribe to my channel Poly Classes. Click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.